Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to find the website builder. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link in the description, and what you'll need to do is scroll right down to the very bottom of the page, click on free website creating tool. From there click on free demo, and then this will log you into the control panel. All you'll need to do is scroll across, go under Web Tools, Site Builder, and from Site Builder, click Site Builder Demo. This will then upload the templates. There's quite a few different templates, load more, and you can carry on down the page looking at the templates. In this example, we'll click this one here. This will upload the template for you so you can redesign it. You'll get a welcome guide and then other videos that you can watch here. And this is your template. You can add content blocks, you can change the header, you can change any of the text, you can change the images. If you want to add a content block, just click here. And these are all different content blocks you can add. You can redesign it by changing the colors of the website. There's settings, you can add subpages, you can change the SEO meta tags, there's general settings, social media. You can also use the different apps that's in the demo package. You can add files and upload from your computer. And when you've decided on your actual design, if you click here, you can start a real website. You can look at it live, you can see it in preview, and that's just a quick video to actually show you how to find the website builder. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.